Hey everyone in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. There's an old saying that goes like this: if you want something done right, pay someone to do it right, okay? Me, myself, I am a freaking idiot, and I thought it was okay to rent an excavator, a skid steer, to do some work. Well, I got it stuck for hours and hours and hours. I'm not gonna make this video long. I'm gonna show you how to get a skid steer stuck out of the mud when you are stupid enough to get it stuck in the mud, when I am stupid enough to get it stuck in the mud. So I haven't cleaned myself. I want to show you. I'm 4 hours into getting this thing stuck out of a ditch. Now, I'm going to start by saying, don't do it. If you think you should rent a skid steer like myself, don't be an idiot and just don't rent the skid steer. Damage has already been done. We've both already done that, so let's move on. Okay, if you think you want to go out in the woods and build your son a trail, also don't do it. But once again, the damage is done. So enough about that. Let's get this thing out of the ditch, okay? I've already done it. I should have made a video while doing it because it was hilarious from the outsider looking in. But I just was so frustrated and humiliated that I couldn't even turn my camera on. So I'm just going to go out to the woods and show you what I did to get this thing out of the woods. And it was easy. And it took me 4 hours to realize it. So you can see the damage that I've created on what was supposed to be a dirt bike trail. It looked like that over there, all dry land, until the wheels started spinning and turned into that, and it got deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Okay, new day, showered, all cleaned up, no more dirt. The mistake has been made. I've purchased a tractor, I've purchased a skid steer, I've gotten it stuck in the mud. Here's what I did. After hours and hours, I finally realized what to do and how to get this thing out of the mud. Before I tell you my tricks, make sure to subscribe for more car info, knowledge, tips, tricks, whatever. So if you haven't subscribed yet and this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. You see, the one I was given has 0 tread. So clearly this thing is going to get stuck in the mud. So what I was doing was, obviously I put some tracks under the tires, but what I was trying to do was lift the bucket up, aim it straight down, and then pull myself forward. Using the bucket to pull myself forward was not working, so I did it over and over, and all it would do was lift the front wheels up. That is not how you do it. The more I pulled myself out of that, the deeper I got. Go opposite of that. My 10-year-old son told me to do this, and he was right. 3 hours later, I realized that I could take the bucket and push myself backwards, and as soon as I did, guess what? I pushed myself back with the bucket. I was out. The trick is to push, not pull. You don't want to pull yourself through the mud with the bucket. You want to put the edge of the bucket down and push yourself backwards. Push, don't pull. I turned around, left, problem solved. So I tried to put logs under my wheels. I had some metal tracks from my trailer. That helped me coming forward, but coming forward didn't do anything. It just kept getting me more and more stuck. Just go backwards. Put your bucket down, push yourself back. Push yourself back. So what I do is lift the arms all the way up, dig the bucket straight down so the blade was straight down, and I'd push the tractor back. And then I'd do it again and push the tractor back. It was keeping all 4 wheels on the ground, and it was pushing the tractor, it was pushing the skid steer out of the mud backwards. So I ended up going backwards. I was out that fast. So 3 hours of trying to use ramps and logs and wood and chains, none of it worked. Pushing it backwards, I was out in 10 minutes. There you go. That's the trick. Do me a favor and click like so other people get to see this video. And I'm sorry you got stuck in the mud just like I was. I'm sure there's a lot of F words. I'll see you guys all later. Adios.